Hey guys, welcome back to Belffin channel. So, you just got your new modular velvet Tufted pull-out sofa. Let's get it set up together. It's super easy. First up, unbox all your sofa modules and accessories, and double check to make sure you got everything. Next, take the legs and screw them firmly into the nut holes at the bottom of each module. Don't over-tighten them, just nice and snug. Now, bring two modules close together. Gently push them until the connectors click into place. You'll hear it. That's how you know they're locked in. After that, position the backrest into place. Line it up with the slots and press down lightly until it's fully attached. Then, just place the seat cushions and throw pillows wherever you like. Perfect! Now your sofa has been installed. The sofa is super easy to pull out into a lounging mode. You can totally stretch out and relax. It's like sitting on a cloud, really. Whether you're binge watching your favorite series or reading a book, this sofa just hugs you in all the right places. One last thing, don't forget to do a quick quality check before you call it a day. Enjoy your modular velvet tuft pull-out sofa. See you next time. Bye.